How to make public profile on Snapchat under 18? For that you have to head into the Snapchat application on your mobile device. So once you open the Snapchat app, tap on Bitmoji icon at top left corner of the screen. Once you're on the profile feed, tap on the settings icon at top right corner of the screen. Once you get access to your settings page, scroll down and under privacy control you can tap and open the contact me option, and here you can set on friends and contact. Come back and tap on view my story option and tap on friends only. Again come back to the same page and tap on comment settings, and here you can see that um, there are different options. You can choose anyone which you find public. After that, come back again and tap on see me in quick add and make sure you have tick mark the box that says show me in quick add. Now what you can do is once you have done that, you can easily set the public profile on Snapchat. But if your age is 18 and above, and again if you change it to under 18, then the public profile might be removed. Also, if you don't stick to the guidelines of Snapchat, then also it might not help you to make public profile on Snapchat. So that's how we can easily make public profile on Snapchat under 18. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.